Hello guys, welcome to the Autobug channel. This video will showcase the intelligent voltage display smart clamps and how it works. Jumpstarter power banks. What exactly are they and do they work? The answer is surely a resounding yes, but today's video will be focused on this. The first thing you will notice is that this Jumpstarter clamps has a display screen. On its own, it can be used as a voltmeter to check the voltage of your car battery, red to red, black to black. A healthy car battery usually shows around 12 volts and above, while a weaker car battery will show something less. If you attach a jump starter to the car battery, the voltage display clamps will be in standby mode. Here I have another car battery with me that's been kept away for a while. Its charge is really low. In fact, it's so low that it does not display anything on the voltage display clamps. Let's check the voltage with the voltmeter. When I attach the jump starter to the clamps, you hear an activation click and also see that the power is now displaying the power of the jump starter. It is important to note that these clamps will only activate at 8.8 volts and below. So while the jump starter and clamps are activated, you should quickly attempt to start your car. Once your car has started, remove the clamps and pack everything away safely. Still not convinced? Have a look at our reviews from our customers. Links in the description below. Stay safe.